I'm Kyle Walker from TerryTown RV, and today we're on the lot here. We're going to check out the 2021 Salem Hemisphere 308RL. Triple slide unit, dual awnings, power awnings, outdoor speakers. You got your solid steps. Take you around to the other side. Prep for a backup camera. Inside here you have your living and kitchen area. Nice dinette. Thomas Payne furniture here. Both recline. Over here you have your couch that'll pull out into a full bed. Over here you have your entertainment center. Jensen TV. Electric fireplace, Jensen stereo system, nice big island, lots of storage on this side, 3-burner stovetop, Furrion with the Furrion microwave. Over here, nice big pantry. Let's head to the back here. Here you have your bathroom area, walk-in shower, with a seat, as you can see. Toilet area, vanity, medicine cabinet, everything you need to go RVing. And now for your master bedroom. Queen size bed with storage underneath. Every RVer loves storage, that's why I tell you that and show you it in all our videos. Back here, nice sliding barn door for your closet area. Washer dryer prep. Put your washer dryer in here. Dresser with 3 drawers. Lots of storage in there. TV backer up here for your TV. Fit a nice big TV up there. And that's it. Again, I'm Kyle Walker here at TerryTown RV. I just showed you the 2021 Salem Hemisphere 308RL. Check us out online at www.terrytownrv.com, on Facebook, TerryTown RV, on all other social media. And that's what you get here at TerryTown RV.